very, very much. And we decided when the kids finished high school that we would stay in Lindsborg and not look for different jobs.
We're both city people, but we really love Lindsborg.
Yeah. Well, I was telling you that originally the students called it Noah's Ark. And they called it Noah's Ark because when we bought it, it was dark brown, not even this color, darker. And it had yellowish, goldish trim plus the black and white on the pillars and whatnot. So it was Jim Price and Tim that came over, and we sat down several times, right? We talked about it. And then James redesigned it. He was the architect. And we started doing that roof. Well, we weren't going to do the windows. We were just going to have them come and take away 1/8 of an inch off each window so they could open. At which we went, well, maybe we should just do the bottom windows too.
Do it.
Yeah. So now it's bottom windows.
It grew like Cupsy.
Yeah, it grew. 4 years worth, and it grew. And then when we got finished, they said, you want us to paint that little piece up there where the new windows were, and we had to try to match this gray-blue paint, at which point I said, well, you could at some point, we'll paint it now, but at some point you could have it sided. And we looked at each other and thought, well, how about now? So we knew we were going to have to keep painting it, but we'd have to pay for somebody to paint it. So that's when we said, how about now? I mean, Tim was like, Dad didn't have to sell us anything. But people drive by and say, oh yeah, that 2-story. We've heard people say, your house looks so different.
They're neat, they cleaned up.
Every night.
They're polite.
The energy bills are going way down.
They worked with us on all the details.
We have recommended Energy Guard. We always use the name, and we keep that sign up there pretty regularly. Oh yeah, it's just wonderful. Just really, really good. Yeah, we're very, very happy with Energy Guard. I don't think there's anything more we need from Energy Guard now that we've done all this, but maybe we'll think of something. I don't know.